Good morning, students. See, in previous class we studied our chapter checkup. One question we have completed and remaining questions of 2C, that also we have completed all. See, now today we will complete our remaining questions of chapter checkup. 6, 7, 8 and 9 questions are remaining. See, fifth questions that day we have completed. See what sixth question is given here. How many seconds are there in 2 by 3 of 2 hours? How many seconds are there in 2 by 3 of 2 hours? See, for this, first of all you have to remember that in 1 hour, question number 6, solution. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60. 60 minutes. And in 2 hours, it is 120 minutes. Now see, in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. Then in 120 minutes, how many seconds are there? 120 minutes is equal to 120 into 60. It means 7200 seconds are there in 120 minutes. Now what is the question given here? How many seconds are there in 2 by 3 of 2 hours? So therefore, according to the question, 2 by 3 of 7200 means 2 by 3 into 7200. 3 2s are 6, 1 remained here, 3 4s are 12, 0 0. Now 22 into 2400 means 4800 seconds are there. How many seconds are there in 2 by 3 of 2 hours? 4800 seconds. Now see solution number 7. See what is question given here. A designer uses 2 by 3 meter of cloth to stitch a dance costume. If 150 such dance costumes are needed, then how many meters of cloth will the designer be using? Now see, first of all, solution number 7. Designer needs cloth for 1 costume is equal to 2 by 3 meters. Now see, 150 such dance costumes are needed. Then how many meters of cloth will the designer need? Now designer needs cloth for 150 such costumes is equal to 2 by 3 into 150. 3 5s are 15, 0 100. Designer needs 100 meter cloth to design 150 such costumes. To design 150 such costumes. Understood? Question number 8. There are 120 seats in the balcony of a theatre. If these 120 seats are 1 by 5 of the total seats, what is the total number of the seats in the theatre? Now see solution number 8. See, total seats are not given here, so you have to assume it x. See, total number of seats in the theatre is equal to x. See, now what they are asking, if there are 120 seats in the balcony of a theatre, if these 120 seats are 1 by 5 of the total seats, 120 seats are x into 1 by 5, 1 by 5 of the total seats, or you can write it 1 by 5 of total seats. It means 120 is equal to 1 by 5 into 100. Total seats are x, means 120 x by 5. Now see, cross multiply 120 into 5 equal to x. Now multiply it 0. How many seats are there? X. See, the total number of seats. Therefore, the total number of seats in the theatre is equal to 600. Now see your last question of this chapter. A tree is standing behind a building. 2 by 5 of the height of the tree can be seen and the rest is hidden by the building. The building is 9 meters high. What is the height of the tree? See, this question you have to read it carefully what it is given here. See, a tree is standing behind a building. What is the height of the tree that is seen? Means 2 by 5 of the height is seen and the rest is hidden by the building. And what is the height of the building? 9 meters. Now see, let the height of the tree is equal to x meter. See, total height of the tree is not given here, only the height which is not seen is given there. So total height of the tree is x meters. Now see, how much part is visible there? Total height of the tree that is visible is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x. Height of the tree into the height that is visible means 2 by 3 x. Now see, next step what is given? The part which is hidden by the building. How much part is hidden by the building? Means you have to subtract x minus 2 by 3 x. According to the question, the part hidden by the building is equal to x minus 2 by 3 x. Now see, here you can take LCM. 1 means x by 1 into 3 into 3 minus 2 by 3 x is equal to 3x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 x. Now see, 3x minus 2x, that is x by 3. Sorry, I have write here 5. It is 5 here, not 3. 5. Now see, x minus 2x by 5. My mistake, I have written here 3. Make it correct. 5x minus 2x by 5. Take the LCM and multiply it. 3x by 5. This step. First, it is the part which is hidden by the building is 3x by 5. Now see, according to the question, what is given here, the building is, what is the height of the building is 9 meter high. Now see, the part of the building, the part of the tree is equal to the height of the building. See, what is the part of the tree? 3x by 5. And what is the height of the building? That is 9. Now see, 3x is equal to 9 into 5. 3x is equal to 9 5s are 45. X is equal to 45 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 15 meters. 15 meters is the height of the, therefore the height of the tree is equal to 15 meters. See, for this question, read the question very carefully and solve it very carefully step by step. What it is given here for this question, you have to see the question again and again, that which step will come and which step we have to solve here. Okay, so we have completed our second chapter. Just revise it once more. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will explain it in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.